Hi guys, and thanks for watching our weather video on March 8th, 2023. So we've got a bit of a different video today. We're going to be focusing on the next 2 days or 3 days instead of the next 2 or 3 weeks. Because the next 2 or 3 days are going to be very, very interesting and possibly severe for some parts of the country in terms of snow and ice. So there's a lot coming up. So I'm going through the warnings on my errand, and I'll go through the UKV charts, and I'll also go through windy.com with their precipitation type forecasts using the different models on windy.com. So that's our plan for today. So I'll get on with it straight away. So as you can see, I'm on Met errand. And today, March 8th, 2023, we've no warnings left today, but there was a snow and ice warning for Cork and Kerry, and a low temperature warning for the northern half of the country. So if we go towards tomorrow, look at this. You've got a yellow warning for snow and ice for the whole of the country. So rain with sleet and snow westward northwards across the country later tonight, Wednesday night, and during Thursday, accompanied by strengthening easterly winds. Accumulations of snow are expected in many areas, along with icy conditions. And also, they said that sleet and snow will likely turn to rain in the south of the country for a period before going back to snow. This is going to be quite a serious event for a lot of the country, and they're saying that the potential impacts are hazardous driving conditions, travel disruption, same sort of thing, and obviously poor visibility with the snow and possibly drifting with strong winds. Valid 3 a.m. So it'll come into force about 6 hours from now, and it will end at 11 p.m. tomorrow. Also, a low temperature and ice warning for the whole country. So widespread icy stretches tomorrow night and Friday morning. 9 p.m. tomorrow to 10 a.m. Friday. Hazardous driving conditions as well as travel disruption. And in addition, we have a yellow warning for snow and ice. This time for Leinster, Cavan and Monaghan, so for the eastern half of the country. So they're saying that sleet and snow on Thursday night will sort of linger in the east of the country before clearing. And the east will see further accumulations of snow. So again, same sort of impacts, valid 11 p.m. So this is an extension of this warning up here, valid from 11 p.m. tomorrow till 7 a.m. Friday. It's not going on, and there's also a warning for Northern Ireland for snow. Heavy snow with disruption Thursday and Friday. Valid 7 a.m. Thursday to 1400, 2 p.m. Friday. So this is tomorrow's warning. So warnings galore for snow and ice. And on Friday we still have that low temperature ice warning and that snow warning for the eastern half of the country and the snow warning for Northern Ireland. So I've already gone through those, so I'm gonna skip past those and go straight to the UKV chart. So this is the 3 p.m. run from today. And at 3 p.m. you can see rain, sleet and snow across the south of the country, as well as across England. I know that England saw quite a snowy day today, but none of it really stuck. So it only really stuck as the sun sets. So as we go through to tonight, you can see that we get some snow showers into the east of the country, some wintry showers in a way, before we see the band of precipitation coming in from the southwest. And the UKV chart is really turning it to snow with a higher ground. You can see that over low-lying areas and coastal areas, you're more towards rain, unfortunately. You can see very nicely on the east coast as well as part of the west coast as well, and lower levels in the Midlands, more towards rain, unfortunately. With that little feature, with milder air enough to see that. But I mean, anywhere that has the risk of getting some wintry precipitation, some sleet at least anyway. Anyway, push through. Milder air does push into the south for a time, so look at that. The snow turns to heavy rain in the south, but still with more wintriness in the north. But look at this. As the sun sets on Thursday, it goes turns more widespread, more widely to snow across the Midlands and West, before the snow transfers eastwards across the country as the low pressure clears. So you look at that. That looks very good, doesn't it? For snow for the east of the country there Thursday night. This is where I am, but I'm on the coast, so I may struggle to get snow, but I hope I'm lucky. That clears away by Friday morning, and we're left with some heavy snow showers on the east coast for a time before they clear off, and we go towards a drier day, but it's still cold with hazy sunshine, and of course there'll be lying snow in many parts of the country. Though it may melt quite quickly as the sun's quite strong, and we go into Friday evening, and we see another batch of precipitation coming in off the Atlantic. Now this is more towards rain at the moment. Only a bit of snow over high ground on the leading edge of the front, and this one actually introduces milder weather for the country. So we see the next band of rain on Sunday falling completely as rain, and that clears off, and we get a deep area of low pressure over the country by Monday. And this is the GFS 12Z precipitation type forecast for Ireland and the UK. So I'm going to go through here, and you can see today's rain, sleet, and snow in the south of the country. I saw some light snow this morning, and what was weird was that the weather app said that it was 4 degrees. So that's very strange. I think that the weather apps had it wrong because it was light snow, and it was 4 degrees. So that was quite strange this morning, but I'd wait for a lot of snow. Going through then, that system clears through, and that big system comes in from the southwest, bringing heavy snow across the country, and it stays snowing in the north for the whole day, and then it spreads eastwards and southwards as we go through into the early hours of Friday morning before that clears off. And then we see through Friday evening a little system brushing the southwest coast, may bring a bit of winteriness with it there for a time. And as we go through Saturday, you can see another system moves through. Snow on its edge, on its northern and eastern edges, but it turns to rain. And then from then on, we're just mild with rain. I won't waste a lot of time on that. And finally, the Winnie.com run. I love this site. It's my favourite site. Apart from weathercentral.de. So starting Wednesday 8th at 10 p.m. around the time I'm recording this. So you can see some wintry showers into the east, and some light sleet and snow in the southwest. As I push through, you can see by tomorrow morning we've got widespread sleet and snow away from the south coast, pushing in. So that is something to keep an eye on. Accumulations will occur before it turns to rain in the south, but the north seems set for snow all day pretty much. Before the snow, look at that, it comes southwards and eastwards, and it gives a good covering to most parts of the country. Unfortunately, I'd say if you live in somewhere like Waterford, you've got a very slim chance of getting much really. So the south coast will do badly from this. I say badly, but you may see snow, but just not as much as other parts of the country. Anyway, into Saturday, we see this band of rain coming in off the Atlantic. Some sleet and snow on the leading edge, a bit of winteriness, but only a little bit. It will turn to rain soon enough, and we go through, and it just rains into Sunday and Monday. The icon precipitation type chart. Oh, that was a bit dramatic actually. Let's go back. Okay, so we can start now. A few snow showers coming into the east, bit of winteriness in the southwest, and this comes up from the southwest, and widespread sleet and snow, and that clears through, and so widespread sleet and snow into Friday morning. It takes a while to clear before, again, widespread snow on Saturday morning. Now, I say this is overdone. It's definitely overdone. I don't think snow will be that widespread on Saturday. Like, the whole country has wintry precipitation. It won't be as widespread as that. And I don't understand why it's still snowing on Sunday. That is way overdone. That is definitely overdone. That is ridiculous. So don't take this too seriously. Listen, I strongly doubt that would verify. This is really overdone. I didn't even see this before I recorded it, but it really is overdoing it. Anyway, that's our video done for today. I've been going through, the areas that are most likely to see snow. So I'd say in the Midlands and South Midlands, and also it's the north of the country as well. So the Midlands and North are primed for snow as well as the northeast. In this situation, especially with tomorrow's low, basically curving around. The north may see snow all day. A really good dumping. I'm surprised that that Met.ie didn't issue an orange warning for the north, because I think that's worthy of an orange warning. Snow all day will accumulate readily. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you all snow. If you'd like it. If you don't want it, then I wish you no snow. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and bye for now. I hope to see you tomorrow. If not, I'll see you Saturday, but because the weather is interesting at the moment, I'll try and get something done tomorrow. Bye for now.